how to add Tilt 3D animation in Wix Studio. So in order to do that, just choose in here the element that you want to apply it to. After that, click onto this inspector icon in order to open the inspector. Click onto this icon right here and then just go over it here into your mouse effects and then hover or expand tab. Now click onto this add and we have in here this Tilt 3D option. Click on it and then do take note that this is actually a mouse effect and it requires a mouse cursor. So it will not play on touchscreen devices. So it's only applicable onto your desktop. Once you're done, click on publish right here and then it should be able to save the changes. If you want, you can click onto this view site in order to see what it will look like into the site. So as you can see, this is what the Tilt 3D animation looks like. It only expands on how I actually interact into the mouse right here. So that's how you add Tilt 3D animation in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.